Hi everybody, this is week 1 and this is your video overview. I'm going to take you through what we're going to do this week and show you a few things on the screen to help you learn how to navigate our system. So every week we're going to have a different screen to go to. They're labeled week 1, 2, 3, and you'll see a picture here at the top. This is not me. This is designed by the university, and each week it'll be someone different. So if you're curious, you can figure out who they are. I'll give you an overview in writing what we'll do that week and why. You have some quick links to get you around the page. And this is a picture of me right here making this video for you. So that's where that'll be every week that we need a video. We might not use one every week, but I will try my best to give you a little something to get you started every week. Learning objectives are important so you know why we're doing what we're doing. Those will be listed each week of the class. Then we're going to go into weeks readings and materials. This might be essays, chapters from the books for the class, videos, things online, everything that you might need to do the learning you need to do for this week and further on. So while things are organized by week, they also are cumulative, so they add up over the course of the semester. So if you miss a reading one week for whatever reason, go back and get it the next week because it'll help you succeed later on. This first week we're going to have 2 essays from the web, and I will try as much as I can to tell you where they're coming from and provide the link to get directly to them. Then we have a video, short little TED Talk about learning, and I'll try to provide a description underneath that. Then there's another link. It's a different video, and this was posted through our library, which is why it's showing up a little bit differently there. When you get into the link, look at the top left corner, and there will be another link saying go to this resource or the video file or something like that, and you can find it that way. So it's a direct link through our library. We may have a review each week that you're learning terms or things like that. This week it's just a quick syllabus quiz, so there you go. Read the syllabus this week. It's due on Wednesday, so make sure you do that. And then down below we have these assignments, and I've opened them all so you can see what we've got right now. When you open your weekly page, they won't be open, so you have to click on the little arrow to get them to open. What you need to know is that things will be due either Wednesday or Wednesday and Sunday. This will be the format for the whole semester, so you get into a rhythm and you know what's coming. All the instructions for the assignments will be written here, and if they get to be too long, there will be a link to a PDF or another document for you to look at. This first week, you're going to do an introduction video. Yay! We need to get to know each other, but it's all based on some of the reading you've done. So you need to do the reading first. This is a video project. It's called Video Assignment. It's in D2L, and the link there will take you right to it. You have to address 5 things, and then you'll respond to the videos. The program will put you into groups, and you will respond or peer review to certain people that it assigns you. Those are due on Sunday. So you need to do that. There are 2 little things you need to do when you're watching other people's videos. And then the 4th assignment is all about kind of managing what you're learning. There's a link there for a template. You can download it, save it, rename it, or you may choose not to do it at all. This will not be turned in. This is just a suggestion by me to help you manage what you're learning. This class is going to require quite a bit of reflective learning, and this template will help you keep track a little bit better than relying on memory for specific things that you've taken in and you're dealing with. So take a look at that. I gave you a little example in it already, and you can make it your own. But again, you'll never turn it in. If you do use it, you'll have an easier time writing the reflective essays for this class. At the end of each weekly page, there will be a reminder This one is all about what's coming next week, and then after that, the announcement that the first book we'll be going through is called Merchants of Doubt, and you need that definitely before week 3, because starting in week 3 we're going to start talking about it. So if you don't have it yet, please get it soon. It's thick and big and boisterous, and then there's a lot in there that's going to be fun to talk about. And that is this week's overview. I hope you enjoyed it, and we will see ya when we start seeing things come in.